In this video I will show you how to stitch a video on TikTok with saved video. First of all, open your TikTok mobile application. Once you will open it, now you have to click on the share icon here. After that you have to look for Stitch, click on it. And it start downloading. Now it's saved to your mobile. Now you have to select the part you want to stitch. Now you have to click on the next button. Now you can record a video and give a comment. And anything you want to. This is how you can do that.